Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself managing a growing list in Smartsheet and started wondering, wait, do I have any duplicate values in here? You're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a quick and effective way to check for duplicates in your Smartsheet step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a handy tool for catching any double entries, keeping your sheets tidy, and ensuring your information is always reliable. Let's get started right away. First things first, open up Smartsheet and head over to the sheet that you're working with. If you have a lot of information in there, maybe it's a list of contacts, inventory items, or student names, it can be so easy to accidentally enter something twice, especially when things get busy. Locating duplicates manually is almost like searching for a needle in a haystack, but the method I'll show you makes it much more manageable. Once your sheet is open, think about which value or name you want to check for duplicates. Maybe you want to make sure you haven't added John Smith more than once, or you need to confirm that a unique product code hasn't been accidentally repeated. Go ahead and select the cell or just note down the exact name or value you're interested in. Accuracy is important here, because even an extra space or a slight misspelling might affect your search. Now here comes the part that really speeds things up. You'll use the keyboard shortcut Control plus F, so just press Control and the F key at the same time. This pops up the search bar within Smartsheet. In that little search box, type in the exact name or value you want to check. For instance, let's say you're looking for Sarah Lee. Enter it exactly as it appears in your sheet. Now click the Next button or simply hit Enter on your keyboard. What happens now is the magic we're after. If the selection jumps from your first entry to another spot in the sheet with the same name, that's an instant sign you've got a duplicate. The find function is essentially taking you from one instance of the value to the next, like shining a spotlight on each matching entry one by one. If you keep clicking Next and it keeps moving to new places in the sheet, then you know there are multiple matches. Don't worry if this takes a few moments, especially if your sheet is large. Just let Smartsheet do the work. And don't get discouraged if you notice small differences like extra spaces or inconsistent capitalization. Sometimes those subtle differences can throw off your search, so double check for accuracy if things don't look quite right. And really, that's all there is to it. With that simple Control plus F trick, you can efficiently pinpoint any duplicate values, saving yourself time and preventing errors down the road. This method works great for occasional checks, or when you quickly need peace of mind about the uniqueness of your data. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you feel more confident using Smartsheet and keeping your information organized and accurate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below with any questions or if you have your own favorite tips, and make sure to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.